Hey, welcome back to my channel, Mariah. For those tuning in for the first time, welcome to my channel. This is kind of close. Let's push back a little bit. Boom, that's better. Hey y'all, it's your girl Mariah. Welcome back to my channel. For those tuning in for the first time, welcome to my dysfunctional channel. And for those coming back, what up? But for today's video, I am showing you all how to apply your fake eyelashes. For those who don't know, from my last video or my last two videos, I'm actually dropping a lash line called Omoge lashes. And isn't she so pretty? She's just sitting and she's shining and she's glistening. She's doing her thing. She's probably like, girl, why are you sitting in this corner filming? Because the sunlight is hitting me right here. Like, y'all don't understand that natural lighting is key. And I didn't feel like standing in front of my ring light because it gets too hot. So this is what we're working with. So with me putting on lashes, I can't tell y'all how hard it was for me to learn how to put on lashes. Like, a lot of people think that, you know, just because I wear lashes all the time, that it's a breeze. Now it's a breeze. I can count on 2 pairs of hands how many times I have glued my eyes shut. So, you know, it's been a journey. So, if you don't know how to put on lashes, it's okay. I'm going to teach you how to put on lashes the way I put on lashes. I've taught my boyfriend's mom how to put these lashes on this way, and she's learned, and I thought it was easy. So, I'm going to show y'all step by step how I put on my lashes, and I think that's some tips and keys on how to get your lashes to stay and to look, you know, good. So what you're going to need is a pair of lashes, a pair of your favorite lashes. Hopefully they're Omoge lashes. If not, it's okay. Got your favorite pair of lashes. You're also going to need mascara. No matter what brand you want. I'm using this Benefit Roller Lash mascara that I actually won from a contest from them. Some lash glue. It doesn't matter what brand. I use Duo. And I don't use tweezers, but a lot of people like to use tweezers. I'm going to show y'all how to use tweezers, but I don't like using tweezers. And I'm actually missing a mirror, so I'm going to grab that. I'll be right back. So I got my mirror. I got this little Sephora mirror that I got with a gift card. It's dirty. I know it's makeup on it. Make sure you're very gentle, especially with mink lashes. Taking them, don't rip the hairs off. So take the lash on the tweezer of my fingers, just like this. Yeah. Let it go and measure out my lashes, because especially with my lashes, I made the band extra long, so for different eye shapes. So a lot of times the first lash won't fit well, so you want to make sure you always go in and measure it out to make sure it's going to sit well. Measuring it out to make sure that it's not too long for me, and it's not, so I can go right ahead and complete. Sometimes lashes come with this extra I can show you, extra piece of like band. A lot of times I go in and cut that off. So then I always like to put the glue on my lashes first, because I think a lot of times that lashes don't stay on, or it's hard to put on, is because they don't let the lash glue dry enough. So usually with my makeup process, I do my eyes first. So while I'm doing my face, my lashes the glue will be on my lashes, and that by the time I'm done my face, it should be dried, sometimes over dried. But I did my makeup today because I want to show y'all how to do this, but usually I let it dry while doing my makeup. So you want to take the eyelash. Let me so hard to show y'all this with multiple hands. You're going to take the eyelash and put the glue right around the band. I'm trying to show y'all. Let's see if I try to show y'all. So, you know, be generous with the glue, because you want this thing to stay on through all night. And my biggest tip is to always put a little extra glue at the ends. I think my biggest problem with lashes is I always have hard times with the ends of my eyes, because my eyes get really watery, especially right in the middle of my eye. So I'm always going in with mad glue. You want to make sure you're generous all on the band. I really like white lash glue. I don't like black, because I feel like black ruins the makeup look. So I was going white because it always dries clear. So, okay, I'm going to show y'all this one. This is how it is with the glue on it. I put a generous amount of glue all over it, especially at the ends, as you see. And then I'm going to place that right on my case. Upward. So it dries. And then I'm going to do the other lash, and I'll be right back. Okay. So those are both drying and marinating and doing what they gotta do. So I'm gonna go to the next step, which my next step is always putting on mascara. A lot of people like to put on mascara after they put on the lashes, but I hate getting mascara on my mink lashes because I think it ruins like the life expectancy on them. That makes sense. Life expectancy, whatever, English. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so y'all can see this. So I'm gonna go with my mascara, just like everyday mascara, how you put it on. There's no special tips. I like to go in and, like, you know, put on mascara. But this helps me know where to place my lashes better. That's just me. I don't know, everyone's different. So this is how the mascara looks. I can see, I can tell the difference. So this is my natural lashes. You see? So I'm gonna wait for the lashes to dry. So I'm back, and I want to kind of show y'all the process of it drying down. You see how it's kind of like not fully white? Yeah, that's how you want it to be. Kind of, it looks purple because the band's black and the white, but it's actually just drying down clear. So I want to talk to y'all while this is still drying about how you know which eye the lash should go on. Because of my first times going into doing lashes, I always didn't know. It's not really easy to tell left and right. It is easy to tell left and right, but not if you're a beginner. But not if you're a beginner. So a lot of lashes, always where the inner corner goes, it's always less hair. So let me see if I can focus and show y'all. See how this end is shorter than the other end? That's how you know this end right here is where it goes in your inner corner. So you know this is for your right eye. So I'm gonna blonde this because I kind of want to get on with my day and wait for this to dry. Okay, so once again, I don't usually like using tweezers, but I'm gonna try for today just because some people out there use tweezers, some people don't. So I'm gonna show you how I do it with tweezers and without tweezers. So my biggest tip with lashes is to always place your lash in the middle first. Like, start from the middle and then go to the corners. That's something that for myself, that I think works for me. It could work different from you, but for me, it works by starting in the middle and placing it in the middle and then working into my corners. So either it was like fake, like, damn, so much hair in my face. Either it was like fake, like look down in a way, like look like half, like you know how you roll in your eyes? Yeah, kind of like mid-roll eyes. And then just place your lash right closest to your lash line, right in the middle. So this lash is sitting right there in the middle. And then I go in with to my outer corner. See, I don't like tweezers. I'm not gonna use that. I like my fingers, especially when I have acrylics on. Oh baby, life is so much easier. So then you're gonna start from the end and then go into the middle and go into the corner. You can always adjust your lashes and push them down and pull them. But yeah, see? That was easy peasy lemon squeezy. Like, Jesus, how did I don't know, maybe because I'm on camera, but I've never put my lashes on that easy. Okay, so you kind of have this lash on, you see it's still sticking in. I'm taking my fingers or the tweezers. I think that's easier for this part. Taking tweezers and kind of like meshing the band and your lashes together. This is what I'm talking about. Now my middle eye is getting watery and this corner won't stick. Okay. And always feel okay to go back in with more glue. And if you keep touching it, chances are it's going to keep moving. We're going to kind of like place it and let it chill. So you see the water? So this is lash on, lash off. Lash on, lash off. So with this lash style, it's very natural. It's very, if you have like short lashes, I have long lashes to begin with, so it kind of won't make a difference on me. But anyone who has like small less short lashes, want a little extra oomph, this is the baby for you. Again, this is how it should look when it's dry. You see how it's legit like glowing and not existent. That's how you want it to look when you put it on. So ladies, please, if I can tell you anything today, is just be patient with your lash glue. Like, if you're already late going out, be late in style and get your lashes to stay on, because there's no point in walking around with half a lash on just because you want to run late and not be patient with your glue. So please, 2020, be patient with your lash glue, because that's what will give you the best results. Got it? Good. And then the lashes are on, baby. Do you see this? Do you, mother? Do you see this? Do you? This is the motherfucking look. Let's talk about that. That's number one. Number two, these lashes are on fleeky. The fuck. So yeah, so I hope that helped y'all. Something I used to like to do lastly is always put mascara on my bottom lash line. Whenever I forget this, I feel like my day is incomplete. So don't forget to do that part because it makes your lashes look kind of in sync with each other. So, boom. I look the motherfucking good. Like, Omoge lashes on fleek, man. Oh my god, like, not even because these are my lashes, but like, bitch. Bitch. What? I look good. Can we take these flicks for y'all? I hope that was easy for you to follow. I know I'm all over the place, but I definitely think that it really takes practice on how to pin lashes on. You don't want to rush things. You definitely don't want to yeah, rush things. You want to take your time. You know, everything takes patience. So if you haven't already, make sure you go and follow us at Omoge Lashes on Instagram. And our website is at omogelashes.com. Everything we place right here. Whoa. So, yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I see y'all in 7 days when our freaking lash line drops. And I hope you all have a blessed day. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and, you know, be better than the rest. See you later.